Worldwide fame Daljit Dosanjh is into controversy again here in Chandigarh because a complaint was filed against Daljit Dosanjh for his songs and Shipra Bansal, Chandigarh's Commission for Protection of Child Rights, has issued three advisories for Daljit Dosanjh, and we have a complainant who complained for Daljit Dosanjh, Pandit Rao Dhanevar. You are professor here in college, right? What was the concern that you complained for Diljit Dosanjh, and what are the advisory that been issued? And are you satisfied with the advisory that been issued by the commission?
Ji sir, I am satisfied with the advisory issued by the Child Commission Chandigarh, Shipra Bansal Madam. I demanded that Diljit Dosanjh should not be allowed to sing three songs. One is Patiala Peg, where the alcohol is being promoted in that song. Second song is Panch Tare Theke, where again alcohol is being promoted. Third is Case, where he says in his song Je Bicho Fim Labia, he is promoting somewhat drugs. That is why I demanded not to sing these songs. The advisory has mentioned that not to sing these songs, even with twisted words, because he's been very smart. After Telangana's notice, he's not singing, he's twisting the words. Now in Chandigarh on 14th, he will not sing those songs even with twisted words. Because when he sings with twisted words on the stage, children actually dancing on his original song only. The impact is on that.
What were the other points that you raised? You said 120 decibel sound should be there, less than that, and children should not be allowed to go on the stage. Or adults less than with 25 year of age should not be allowed to serve with liquors, etc. So these were also the concerns.
Yes, yes, very much, sir. Sir, I am teacher, sociology teacher. I am very much concerned about all these issues. I mentioned that according to World Health Organization, 120 above dB sound is harmful for children. That is why I said that children should not be allowed on the stage. So, whereas Diljit Dosanjh has a bad habit of calling children on stage, where they face sound, not only sound, even flashing lights also, harmful for the children's eyes and ear. That is why in the notice clearly mentioned that children should not be allowed on the stage. Third is, sir, alcohol should not be served to the below 25 years, because Punjab Excise Act says below 25 nobody is allowed to buy and sell and consume, which is applicable on Chandigarh administration.
Diljit Dosanjh also reacted in Andor via share of Rahat Indori. How you see that reference?
Yeah, Rahat Indori share he shared. That is good. I agree. But he says Rahat Indori's share and some poems. But why cannot he says this Baba Nanak? He says Baba hor khana khushi ko war jit khade tan pidiye man mein chale vikar, which means friend. All that food and pleasures are vain, which fill in the mind with evil and make the body wreath in pain. Means he should have uttered these Gurwani also, promoted Gurwani in his all shows, even in abroad. He did not do that.
Why it's only related to Diljit, Karan Aujla, or selected 3-4 singers that are on fame or worldwide famous?
Not only Karan Aujla, Diljit Dosanjh, sir. I have issued notice to all the singers, not only Punjabi, Bhojpuri singers. I have visited to Sri Patna Sahib.
Also, you have filed complaint with Coldplay also.
Yes, sir. He is coming in January 2025. Already I issued notice to Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad, not to allow him to sing Life is Drug, Alcohol.
What about the logic that Daljit gave that every state should be announced as a Gujarat's model, a dry state?
No, that is up to the government policy. We cannot overnight change the government policy. You can.
Why don't you go by the government policies and complain to government first?
Of course, we can always demand for the reform in the policy. We cannot replace the policy, because policy is a government established policies. We can reform, such as Kerala has a limit time, and Bihar has already banned, Gujarat already banned. We can reform in the policy. That is done. I am sure work is being done. Even Amritsar, you should be declared as a dry city and holy city. That I am with him. I will fight for it.
So you'll see the event of Diljit now, which song he sings, which not.
I will never visit. I never visit any show inside because where there is alcohol is being sold, I don't visit that place because I'm a teacher. I have to be very pure and pious to my students. I don't visit, but I always keep a track on them. The Shipra Bansal madam will keep a track on them. SSP madam will keep track on them. Even IG, very Rajkumar Singh ji, IPS, very good officer. He will keep a track.
This advisory is being violated, so you will demand action.
Yes, sir. It is according to Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court dated 27/2019 that if anybody sings these songs promoting alcohol, drugs, violence are not allowed during live show. If they sing, local DC and SSP will be held responsible personally and will file a contempt of court.
Okay. So this was Professor Pandit Rao Dhanevar, who's a teacher by profession, and he's a separate lesson for Daljit Dosanjh. That advisory been issued by the Chandigarh administration, and now has to see what Daljit reacts on it, because usually Daljit in his shows give a reaction sort of that what he has to say regarding this complaints and advisory that been issued by the different administrations. With video journalist Gunjit Kumar, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.